Hi guys, welcome back. I'll show you a tool in Adobe Illustrator, a designing program, so that you can, build some knots. Click on object. There you go, intertwine. So intertwine is used so that you can make knots, so that some parts of a 2D object will be in front of another 2D object. So we're going to make knots. For example, I have, 3 black rectangles and 3 light blue rectangles. Well, if you click on the rectangle tool to create this, and then hold on, you want to rotate it to, put it here, and then you copy and paste this, and then you put it here. No, and then you put it here to create the knots. It will be a waste of time. So to do this, click here and then select the rectangles, head over to object, intertwine, and then select them all, object, and then head over to intertwine, and then click on edit, and then select the areas that you want to make a knot on, just like this. It will be entwined around the light blue rectangle, just like so. And there you have it. You have made some knots just like this. It will create some amazing patterns that you can use for your logos, part of your branding, or even just for your designs or your artworks. That's how Intertwine works in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching, guys. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But from me, it's good day and a very happy new year. Ciao.